Hola! I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan quesadillas. Quesadilla is a famous Mexican dish and a type of taco consisting of tortilla that is filled primarily with cheese, and then you may choose any filling of your choice. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Let's prepare the vegan queso or vegan cheese dip for the quesadillas. I have soaked around 150 grams of cashews for 4 hours. If you forget to pre-soak them, you can just dip them in hot water for 15 minutes and that will soften the cashews. Drain the water and add the cashews to the blender. Add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, juice of 1 lemon, water as per the thickness you desire in the queso. Obviously I added more water than that. Now blend everything. Try to blend it as smooth as possible. Look at that texture. The vegan cheese dip is ready. You can prepare this in so many different flavors. Also, you can add different condiments to make it more strong, but I like to keep it on a lighter and more creamier note. You can also store it in an airtight container and refrigerate for longer use. Step number 2, the filling. Of course, this is one of the most important parts of the recipe. A good filling is the key. Take around 300 grams of boiled chickpeas. Mash the chickpeas roughly using a fork or a masher. Once done, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic. Set the heat to low and stir fry them for a minute or 2. Then add 1 small finely chopped onion. Stir fry the onion for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 medium chopped green chili and half chopped bell pepper. Let this cook for 2 minutes. Now add the mashed chickpeas. Since the chickpeas are already cooked, we are going to cook them for a minute or 2 while mixing them well with the rest of the ingredients. Then add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of hot sauce. You can replace the hot sauce with any favorite sauce of your choice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. You can always control the spices and flavors in the recipe, so feel free to add any other spices of your liking. Mix everything well and cook for 2 more minutes and then switch off the heat. The filling for quesadillas is ready. Step number 3. Make a quick salad. Salad adds a lovely crunch to the quesadillas and I recommend it big time. To a bowl, add some sliced bell peppers, onions and green chilies. Add some lemon juice, salt to taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything and tada! The quick salad is ready, and yes, the name is quick salad because we made it so quickly. Step number 4. Assemble everything. Take a tortilla, add 1 tablespoonful of the vegan queso dip, spread it evenly. Then add grated vegan cheese on half side of the tortilla. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chickpeas filling. Add some lemon juice, it's optional. Add the salad on top of it. And finally, some more vegan cheese. Fold the tortilla and press it gently. Now repeat the same with the rest of the tortillas. Once done, we'll start cooking them. Step number 5. Final cooking. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil, then brush it or spread it across the pan as we don't want the quesadillas to absorb a lot of oil at one place and get soggy. Place the quesadilla on the pan. I can easily fit 2 of them at once. Press it gently on the pan so the bottom part gets nice and crispy. Cook them at medium heat for 2 minutes and then flip. They get cooked really quick, so depending on your burner, adjust the heat and flip them. Let them cook on this side for another 2 minutes, then take them off the pan. The vegan quesadillas are ready. Slice them in middle and serve them hot. These quesadillas are effortless, delicious, crunchy, and super cheap to prepare at home. As you saw, this was just one filling type and you can do it in so many different ways. Along with being super easy and extra cheesy, these quesadillas are high in protein and are a source of healthy fat to help fuel your body efficiently and prevent dips in energy and mood. Quesadillas are great addition to lunch boxes, dinners and parties too. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan playlist. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.